Good eve, sires. It is I, Sir Simon of the Realm. Please come and warm yourself by my fire, for I must warn thee of a terrible threat. Alas, it is my misfortune to tell you that these lands will soon be infested with a plague. I recently received word from the kingdom that during a protest outside the magical university, a young girl slipped past the guards and into the university's magical library. She then accidentally summoned a portal. This portal gave forth to a dark dimension, and a legion of ASMR content creators expelled forth. Dark times lay ahead of us, brothers. They have already filled our ears with the sound of lip-smacking. They have already pillaged our lands with hour-long trigger videos. And they have already wasted our time with ridiculously long hair salon roleplay videos. But I fear something far worse is on the horizon. I fear something far, far worse is on the cards.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Comrade Johnson, and I'm gonna play you some songs tonight. I'm gonna do my darn best to get it right. See, that's just some of the kind of rhymes I come up with on the spot. You know, just feeling the vibe and just getting it out there. It's the kind of guy I am. You know, it's the kind of guy I was raised to be by my daddy and his daddy before him. You know, he raised him to be a rhyme artist himself. And that's it, yeah, a rhyme artist. So, without wasting any more time, let's get down to the rhymes. Just can't stop myself. Anyway, here we go.
Knew this girl named Marie. She used to whisper sweet nothings inside of my ear. She was a blonde-headed girl with a heart just as golden, tits as big as a black woman's soul. I remember thinking, you got me in your silent charms. Somebody better call for help, go raise the alarm. 'Cause she's got a man at home and he's 10 times bigger than me. Marie,